In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail group email. We'll start by setting up a group in Google Contacts, then use that group to send one message to everyone at once in Gmail. This is perfect for teams, classes, clubs, or family updates, and it keeps your sending process fast and consistent. First, open Google Contacts in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. You'll see your list of contacts. Select the people you want in your group by clicking the small checkbox next to each name. If you don't see someone you need, you can always add that contact later. For now, just pick the ones that are ready. With those contacts selected, look for the label option. Click Label, then choose Create Label. In Google Contacts, labels act like groups. They let you bundle people together so you can email them all at once from Gmail. When prompted, enter a clear, memorable group name, something like Project Team or Book Club, so it's easy to find later. Click Save, and your new group label is created and applied to the contacts you selected. Now it's time to send your group email. Open Gmail in a new tab, still signed into the same account. Click Compose to start a new message. In the To field, begin typing the group name you just created. Gmail will suggest matching labels as you type. Click the correct group suggestion to add all those addresses at once. You can also place the group in CC if you want everyone to see who else is included, or use BCC if you prefer to keep recipient addresses private. BCC is great for larger announcements because it helps protect everyone's privacy. Write your email as you normally would. Add a clear subject line, keep your message concise and relevant, and attach files or insert links if needed. You can use formatting tools to make important points stand out. If your group includes people in different time zones, consider scheduling the send for a time that suits most recipients. When everything looks good, click Send. Gmail will deliver the message to everyone in the group you selected. The next time you need to email the same set of people, just type the same group name and repeat the process. No need to add addresses one by one. That's it. Create the group once in Google Contacts, then email it anytime from Gmail. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.